Hi everybody, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to make a Brostep drop. First, let's check this project for a new song that I'm working. The first thing to consider is the structure of the bass drop, working from a call and response pattern, using 4 bars for one type of bass and the next 4 for a new sound. Additionally, using connectors at the end of every 4 bars, in this case it's a bass, but it could be a drum fill, vocals, or any effect that sounds good. Now let's look at the drums, starting with the kick drum. And the snare. As we can see, there is no post-processing for these two sounds. They are exactly as they are. Clean rides, no post-processing either. The hi-hat pattern is the most basic one used in dubstep. And a crash, also the same crash used in reverse. Let's listen to the drums together. Another element frequently used in Brostep drops is an arpeggio. This simple arpeggio is made with a default Serum preset. The bass is also made with Serum. Let's see. For the drop, I automated some of the sound, such as the filter, wavetable position, pitch, etc. Let's look at the post-processing effects. This is what it sounds like without effects. The first two are disperser, both affecting different frequencies in the intensity of the plugin. The next one you already know, OTT. At 100%. Now a clipper. I like to use the Fruity Wave Shaper this way, which gives good results. To prevent the sound from being dry, we add delay and reverb. Here I'm using CLA Echo Sphere, which has both, at 22%. This parametric equation 2 is only for automation in the buildup. And this fruity balance is for automating volume, for creating manual sidechain. The sub bass is a simple 808. With a fruity balance for sidechain and an EQ to reduce the punch a little. If we create a variety of sounds, we can add color and movement to the drop, like these bass notes. Other elements include vocal chants and a hit drop. And in the pre-drop, we have this drum fill. Also an anime vocal. And that concludes our deconstruction of this drop, so you can learn its structure. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. You can learn more with my dubstep production course. You can also check out my dubstep sample pack. You'll find both in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.